Hi guys! Today, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use the click element command and demonstrate an automation script running with this command. The click element command is used to click on a specific selector. You can click on the three dots to edit the command. Here, you can choose one of two ways to get the selector, which are CSS Selector and XPath. To obtain the selector, follow these steps. Go to a website, for example, etsy.com, right-click and select Inspect. Use this arrow to point to the selector you want to get. The highlighted part is the information displayed for the selector. Next, right-click and choose Copy. Depending on the selector acquisition method you have chosen, you can click Copy Selector or Copy XPath. Then, return to Hidemyacc Automation and paste it here. Additionally, you can choose various parameters such as click rate, the success rate of clicking on the selected selector. Random click, randomly clicking on the selected selector. Wait navigation, wait for the web page to load before clicking on the element. If you click here, you may not need to use the wait command separately. That's how you edit the click element command. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you to create a simple script using the click element command with the content of accessing Etsy, clicking the menu, and scrolling through the page. You can use the new tab command and then the click element command. Remember to change the URL in new tab. Drag and drop the swipe up and swipe down commands to scroll the web page up and down by a specific number of pixels. You can adjust the number of pixels and the number of scrolls as needed or use the default settings. To return to the home page, use the Go Back command. There is also another command, Go Forward, to navigate to the next tab, but it's not needed in this script. After dragging and dropping the commands, click here to rearrange the commands before running a test. A new Hidemyacc profile will be created to run this script. You can see that Hidemyacc's automation script can simulate mouse cursor movements smoothly like a real user. After running the script, give it a name, tag it, and click Save to complete the process. In this tutorial, Hidemyacc has explained how to use the click element command to obtain a specific selector. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel to not miss important information. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Hidemyacc team via Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success!